live next door to traction elevators. How fucking lit is this? So this is right down the street for me, easily walking distance. Let's go up. Here we have some old US elevators. Oh wait, fucking hell. I got too excited, forgot the cat view. Come on, Jesus. These are US, former US, mod by, I don't fucking know. Definitely have the original motors. So, yeah, this is right by me at University of Denver. This is, oh fuck, I forget the name. I'll have to look at it. Is there like a permit somewhere? I don't know. But anyway, these aren't too bad. They're kind of nice. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Lovely. I don't know what the fuck this is, but oh, we got the wood panel door, or the fake wood door. Whoa. Yo, this looks so different than the rest of the building. What the fuck? Alright, oh, hold on. Let's go to one. A little slow, but it's fine. We'll get over it. Where is this? Look at this nice little lobby here. And that's it.